Hi there, it's Ellie Savoy of Diet Free and Healthy, where we show you how to live a diet-free and healthy life without deprivation, rules and restrictions. Today, I'd like to encourage you to start taking baby steps towards living a better quality life and experiencing better quality health. Now, if we're always waiting for everything to be perfect, oftentimes we don't do anything. For example, I've been shooting these videos now for a couple of months on a weekly basis, and if I waited for everything to be perfect, which is what I've normally done over the years because that's my personality, I wouldn't be here in front of the camera and sharing this with you. So this is an example of me taking baby steps towards doing something different that I'm not used to doing. So if you're not experiencing a quality life that you want at the moment, or you've got some health issues, I really encourage you to start taking baby steps. That could be as simple as starting to drink more water every day, or eating 3 meals a day, or not eating out as many times as you normally do per week. But just these kinds of adjustments are all baby steps in a direction towards experiencing better health and taking charge of your life. If you would like to find out more, you can visit dietfreeandhealthy.com. There's a free audio CD download there called Discover the 9 Steps to Reclaiming Your Health and the Life You Deserve. I hope you'll start taking those baby steps today, and I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.